The Quezon City Police District has decided to hold the Vice President and several others accountable for intervening in the transfer of our Chief of Staff to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center over the weekend. For their part, the Philippine National Police assured they will not merely shrug off this incident and emphasize that no one is above the law. PTV's Ryan Lisigas does us more.
So, ito is nangangulugan na nobody is above the law.
The Quezon City Police District or QCPD has filed multiple charges against Vice President Sara Duterte and her associates. At around 11 a.m., QCPD Acting District Director Police Colonel Melesio Buslig Jr. and the complainant Lieutenant Colonel Van Jason Villamor, Chief of QCPD Medical and Dental Clinic, went to the Quezon City Prosecutor's Office to file the case. Villamor, who was seen in a viral video being pointed at and scolded by Duterte after she almost shut the ambulance door on him last Saturday, filed the complaint. The incident stemmed from tensions at the House of Representatives and the Veterans Memorial Medical Center over the detention of Attorney Zuleika Lopez, the Chief of Staff of the Vice President. The charges filed include grave coercion, direct assault, and disobedience to authority.
Hindi po namin inaasahan na magiging ganon ang kahihinatnan nung time ng we were at the Veterans Memorial Medical Center.
The QCPD hopes that the court will favor their complaint.
The Vice President is an impeachable officer. She is not immune from suit. No, based on several jurisprudence, there are no express provision from the Constitution, no, and from the statutes, particularly saying that the Vice President is immune.
General Fajardo explained a minor commotion broke out during the transfer process due to the intervention of the Vice President on the legislator's order to move Lopez to the VMMC.
Malinaw po sa ating mga batas na kung ikaw ay public officer and you lay hands against agents of a person's authority whose presence there is by virtue of his performance of his official duty. He was directed to assist the patient and yet he received some cursing, but he exercised self-restraint at hindi po pumatol, but you can see in the video na tinulak po siya mismo.
PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil earlier submitted a request to Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief General Romeo Bronner to identify members of the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group who assisted Lopez in her transfer from VMMC to St. Luke's Medical Center. Marbil emphasized no one is above the law. The PNP chief also stressed that any attempt to defy authorities is a clear disregard for the integrity of the country's democratic institutions. Marbil assured the public of a fair and thorough investigation. From PTV Manila, Ryan Lisigas, Balitang Pambansa.